What's happening, guys, and welcome back to another great video on our channel. Nos is the owner of several luxurious properties, but perhaps the most expensive and luxurious house he owns is in Calabasas, California, the residential area of several celebrities. Let's take a look inside Nos' $3.5 million Calabasas estate. Number 5. Nos' real estate in Calabasas. Nasser, or Nos Jones, was drowning in tax debt in 2012, and he even lost his Georgia house to a well-publicized foreclosure. However, things appear to be looking up for the legendary hip-hop musician these days. He not only won his first Grammy for the rap album King's Disease earlier this year after 14 nominations, but he also acquired the keys to a magnificent $3.5 million estate in the semi-rural outskirts of Calabasas. The structure, which is a sort of Mediterranean meets Southwestern modern architecture mashup, was specially designed in 2007 and includes 4 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms expanded across more than 6,500 square feet of living area, rife with surging walls and ceiling, arched doorways, and limestone floors, was originally listed for $2.5 million. These characteristics, as well as the property's 10-plus acres of land, drew a bidding war. Nos' new home is private and surrounded by gorgeous mountain panoramas, resting beyond a long driveway and protected by gates and security cameras. The multi-level residence is greeted by a double-height foyer with a wrought iron staircase, bordered by a wide motor court, flanked by an 8-car garage. Steps lead to the main floor, which features a fireplace living area with built-in bookshelves and glass sliders that open onto a terrace. There's a sophisticated kitchen with a central island, Viking amenities, stone counterparts, a breakfast area, and a butler's pantry, as well as a fireplace, family room, formal dining room, and office. A large wine cellar with a sampling area and a gaming room with a wet bar are among the home's other notable features. A luxurious master suite has a 2-way fireplace, sitting area, personal terrace, dual walk-in closets, a private fitness center, and a spa-like bath with a jetted jacuzzi tub and steam shower. Outdoors, there's an alfresco dining patio with a built-in barbecue, as well as a grotto-style pool with a jacuzzi, waterfall, and water slide. The icing on the cake is a rooftop balcony with panoramic views that stretch for miles. Number 4. Nos' net worth. Nos, 48, started his career as a music artist on Main Source's song Live at the Barbecue in 1991. In 1994, he published his debut album Illmatic. Then, in 1996, he released It Was Written, which opened at number 1 on the Billboard Hot 100. Nos has sold over 25 million albums worldwide and has 8 platinum albums to his credit, making him one of MTV's greatest MCs of all time. He has a net worth of over $70 million and is a record producer, entrepreneur, and actor. The listing was handled by Angela Waters of Harcourt Prime Properties, and Nos was represented by Alex Duke of Harcourt Beverly Hills. Number 3. The neighbors he'll be having. The MC can assemble quite a welcoming committee. He'll be living in an A-list neighborhood alongside Kid Cudi, Drake, Will Smith, and Jada Pinkett Smith as his neighbors. Several members of the Kardashian family have lived in the posh neighborhood. The local home market is strong, with only 117 listings and a median list price of $1,395,000. The New York rapper and composer has released 14 albums, 7 of which have gone platinum. Number 2. Nos speaks about his expensive mansion. On May 6, 2015, Nos was photographed with his realtor looking for a new property in Sherman Oaks, California. In cities around the country, there are lots of youngsters waiting to buy a home, Nos remarked. However, you never know who lives next door. To make ends meet and pay rent, I had to take out a loan on my automobile. Now I'm at a crossroads in my life where everything is about to change. I have no idea what to expect, but I'm looking forward to it. Nos revealed to the Wall Street Journal that his new mansion was the most expensive he has ever erected. The house was listed on a website for nearly 30 years with a value of more than $200 million. Number 1. Other houses owned by Nos. Nos bought a house in McDonough, Georgia for $659,000 in early 2002. Nos's McDonough home, built in 1999, includes 2 bedrooms, 3 full and 1 half baths, 3,592 square feet of living space, and a swimming pool that was installed in 2003. Nos decided to sell the house in 2012. Nos married Khalees Rogers, a rap singer in Atlanta, in 2005. The couple paid $1.6 million for a property in Los Angeles in mid-2007. The house, which was built in 1947, has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 3,207 square feet of space. It certainly seems like Nos is living his best life. He's the perfect example of starting from the bottom and making it to the top. What do you think of Nos's mansion and all his success? Do let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys later in another video. Bye now!